G'day guys, Tichborne here. Just been editing a video for Domino's Kalgoorlie. I'm actually a bit blown away because this whole time I just assumed that like pizza places would be... Actually, I'll just roll the video and you can have a look and see if you pick up on it, and yeah, we'll have a look. Domino's in Kalgoorlie, or probably Domino's everywhere, they make their dough fresh every day. So this whole time I've been thinking that, pizza shops like Domino's and whatnot they'll just have like all their bases pre-made, and they just like, whack it up together, and like it'd just be a quick situation like that. Quite surprised, like thinking, because when you compare it to something like, McDonald's, if you look behind the counter, you don't see anyone like cooking. You see the burgers will be in a tray. It's just kept warm, like you don't see any burgers getting flipped these days. It's all just in a tray, chuck it in, all good, like pretty happy with the video that I did with Domino's, and yeah, I was happy to find out that everything is fresh. Leave a comment saying if you've always known that dough was freshly made. It'd be interesting to see how many others were in the same kind of boat that I was in, thinking that all the base is already pre-made. They just slap the ingredients on and just, chuck it in the oven and cook her, and away she goes. I just want to encourage everyone to, support Domino's in Kalgoorlie. Everyone in Kalgoorlie, that is. Support Domino's in Kalgoorlie. They've supported a lot of people in Kalgoorlie. They've done a lot of good fundraising. So I think it's important to support people that, support the businesses that support Kalgoorlie. I hope you guys have a nice Christmas and a Happy New Year, and sign this video out. Cheers.